Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a post grid in Elementor. Creating a dynamic post grid is a fantastic way to showcase your content beautifully. We will explore the simple steps to add and configure this powerful feature. You can display your latest blog posts, portfolio items, or any custom post type with just a few clicks, enhancing user engagement and site navigation significantly. To begin, open your Elementor editor and search for the post's widget in the left-hand panel. Simply drag and drop this widget into any section on your page. Immediately, you will see your latest posts appear in a default grid layout, typically showing 3 columns. This initial display provides a great starting point for further customization and design adjustments. Next, dive into the Layout and Content tabs to refine your grid. You can easily set the number of columns, perhaps 2, 3, or 4, and define the image size for visual consistency. Decide which elements, such as the post title, excerpt, or Read More button, should be visible. Furthermore, filter your posts by specific categories or tags to display highly relevant content. Finally, navigate to the Style tab to perfect the visual appeal of your grid. Here, you can adjust colors, typography for titles and excerpts, and spacing between elements. For larger content archives, consider adding pagination or a Load More button to improve user navigation. Advanced query options allow you to fine-tune which posts are displayed, offering immense flexibility for your content presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.